Hey there! Welcome to my channel! When most people think of primates, they usually picture something like a monkey or an ape. But have you ever seen a lemur? These strange creatures don't look or behave like any other primate that we can think of, so what makes them so unique? Well, in today's video, we're going to find out why lemurs are unlike any other primate. As usual, if you enjoy learning weird facts about animals, make sure to subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And as always, the first 50 people to leave a comment will be shouted out in our next video. Alright, let's begin. Lemurs are only found in one place on the planet, Madagascar. That means there are no lemurs anywhere else in the world except for Madagascar. There are many different species of lemurs, but all of them can be found on this large island. In fact, Madagascar is home to around 100 different species of lemur. The largest of these species is the Indri, which can grow to be around 3 feet tall. The smallest species is the mouse lemur, which is about the size of a hamster. But why are lemurs only found in Madagascar? Well, scientists believe that lemurs first arrived in Madagascar around 600 years ago. They probably floated over on pieces of debris from the mainland of Africa. Over time, they evolved into the many species that we see today. But lemurs were not the only animals to make it to Madagascar. Other animals such as crocodiles, turtles, and birds also made the journey. Fossils of these creatures can be found throughout Madagascar, showing that the island was once home to a wide variety of animals. But lemurs aren't the only primates in Madagascar. There are also several species of bush baby, also known as gull. Bush babies are small, nocturnal primates with big eyes and furry body. They are very agile and can leap up to 20 feet in a single jump. Despite being related to lemurs, bush babies and lemurs have very different lifestyles. Lemurs are mostly active during the day, while bush babies are nocturnal. Lemurs live in groups, sometimes numbering in the dozens, while bush babies are more solitary. And finally, lemurs have long tails that they use for balance, while bush babies have short, stubby tails. But despite their differences, lemurs and bush babies do share some similarities. Both are primates. Both live in trees, and both eat a diet of fruits, leaves, and insects. Scientists believe that bush babies may have been the ancestors of lemurs. Over time, lemurs evolved and eventually gave rise to the many species we see today. But lemurs aren't the only primates that are found in Madagascar. There are also several species of chameleon. Chameleons are reptiles known for their ability to change color. They are also known for their slow movements and their long prehensile tongues. There are over 200 species of chameleon alive today, but they are only found in Madagascar, the Comoros, and Seychelles. Some chameleons are very small, no bigger than a thumbnail, while others can grow to be over 2 feet long. It's hard to say exactly how chameleons evolved, but scientists believe that they are most closely related to the family of lizards called iguanas. Like chameleons, iguanas are also known for their ability to change color. But, unlike chameleons, iguanas cannot move their eyes independently. This suggests that chameleons may have evolved from a group of lizards that had independent eye movement. Over time, these lizards evolved into the chameleons we know today. So why do chameleons have such strange features? Well, one theory is that their slow movements help them conserve energy. This is because chameleons are cold-blooded, which means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. By moving slowly, chameleons can avoid expending too much energy and can instead bask in the sun to warm up. Their long prehensile tongues are thought to be adaptations for catching prey. Chameleons typically eat insects, and their sticky tongues allow them to capture their prey quickly and efficiently. So while lemurs may be unique among primates, they are far from alone in Madagascar. The island is home to a wide variety of unique animals, many of which have evolved to survive in this strange and isolated environment. Thanks for watching!